So hey guys, welcome to this new video. I'll tell you how to install N8N for free and you can also host it using ngrok so you can access it from anywhere in the world. First of all, we need Docker Desktop for that. So Google Docker Desktop and go and download Docker Desktop for your OS. Now after downloading, if you open up, this kind of interface will come up. What you have to do is go to the images and you have to search for N8N and just click on pull. So while it's pulling, what we'll do is we'll go and make our public URL. So what I needed to do is just search for ngrok dashboard and click on the first link. Now it will ask you to sign in and stuff. Just sign in and you will go to this platform right here. For what you have to do is you have to install the ngrok app. I've already installed it. If you open it, nothing will come up. Just the terminal will come up. So you don't have to bother about it. Just install it. And what you have to do next is you have to copy this command and go to cmd and paste it. Now what this will do is this will set up a redirection of your local URL to your public URL. So it's just an auth token. And after you do this, next what you have to do is you have to go back to Docker. I have already made a folder called N8N. This is a fresh folder. Now I need you to run this container. Open this and name it whatever you want. I'm naming it N8N and host port will be 5678 or you could give whatever port you want. Now the host path, I'll be choosing this N8N folder which I made. And after that, the container path would be /home/node/.n8n. Now there are a few more things to add. I'll be giving that in the description. You can copy from there and paste it here. I have it in this notepad. I'll be copying it from here. These things will help you run your N8N without any kind of limitations. So this last one will be file system. I'll have to add that too. All right. Now this base URL and webhook URL will be your public domain which ngrok has provided you. For that, what you have to do is you have to go back to ngrok in this same setup. You'll have to go to your dev domain which is given by ngrok. This will be your public domain. What you have to do is you have to copy that and you have to go to Docker Desktop and paste it there. Now what you have to do is run your container. Okay. So after this, Docker will compile all your files and it will run. And finally, it will tell where your editor is accessible. Now in localhost, if you open, it's accessible there. But what about a public domain? So for that, we will take this domain and paste it here and we'll go. Now you see this here. This is really common and this is normal. This should happen actually if you're running it all right. So why is this error coming up? Because we never ran this command, because this is what will initialize your public domain. So one last command and your N8N will be up and running. So you have to go to your CMD and you have to paste this, but don't run it yet because our port is not 80. Our port is 5678 if you remember. So if you change your port there, make sure to change it here also and run it now. As you can see now, our local host is successfully redirected to the public domain. Now we'll restart this again. Now as you can see, our public domain has reflected our local host. Now my N8N is public. I can access this from wherever I want. I could run my API calls and I could also run webhooks, everything locally. So that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, subscribe and I'll be making more of this no bullshit guides for you so that you can save your time and work more efficiently.